Allison Howell Williams is an American actress. Following several minor roles in television, she played Marnie Michaels in the HBO comedy drama series Girls, which earned her a Critics' Choice Award nomination, and the title role in Peter Pan Live. She rose to widespread recognition for starring as Rose Armitage in the horror film Get Out, for which she received a Screen Actors Guild Award nomination. She subsequently appeared as Kit Snicket in the series A Series of Unfortunate Events. Williams was born and raised in New Canaan, Connecticut, the daughter of former NBC nightly news anchor and managing editor Brian Williams and TV producer Jane Gillan Stoddard. She has a brother, Doug, 3 years her junior. Williams attended New Canaan Country School and Greenwich Academy. She also attended Yale University, where she majored in English and was a member of Morse College and St. Elmo Secret Society. Williams was also a member of the improv comedy troupe Just Add Water for 4 years and acted in the YouTube series College Musical. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.